the details. We have more breaking inputs coming in. More reactions coming to fore. This is Supriya Shrineth. Now remember, the Congress party has been calling it Narendra Surrender 2.0. Supriya Shrineth has put out a post. Supriya Shrineth says only an absolute daft with zero understanding would celebrate the India-US trade deal. Calls it a one-sided and a damaging deal for India. Supriya Shrineth says you have to be an anti-national to praise it. Just saw the BJP MPs hail it. No surprise there. Supriya Shrineth hitting out at the centre, hitting out at the Bharatiya Janata Party, calling them, the leaders of the BJP, a bunch of clueless anti-nationals. Scathing attack there by the Congress party. Supriya Shrineth hitting out at the centre, and all those who in fact are welcoming and celebrating the India-US deal. Here is the post on this screen. Let me quickly highlight it. Supriya Shrineth of the Congress hitting out at the centre. She says, and I quote, only an absolute daft with zero understanding would celebrate the India-US trade deal. It's so one-sided and damaging to India that you have to be an anti-national to praise it. Just saw the BJP MPs hail it. No surprise, they're a bunch of clueless anti-national. So that's Supriya Shrineth hitting out at the centre and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Only anti-nationals can praise the deal. That's the comment coming in. Let's also listen into how the Bharatiya Janata Party is responding to this. BJP, of course, hitting out. This is the counter coming in from the BJP on the attacks that are being leveled by the opposition.
आज का एनडीए पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी मीटिंग में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का नए अध्यक्ष नितिन नवीन जी का स्वागत हुआ। इंडिया ईयू फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट अभी एक सप्ताह पहले ही, एक सप्ताह भी पूरा नहीं हुआ, इंडिया ईयू फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट का एक सप्ताह के अंदर फिर कल अमेरिका का साथ में जो एग्रीमेंट हुए और जो अनाउंसमेंट हुए टैरिफ में कटौती का, उसको लेकर के देश भर में उत्साह है। तो सांसदों में बहुत उत्साह थे। आज एनडीए पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को अभिनंदन किया।
जो भारत अमेरिका, भारत यूरोप के बीच में जो ट्रेड डील हो चुकी है, इसका संपूर्ण श्रेय मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को देना चाहता हूं, उनके दृढ़ संकल्प को देना चाहता हूं। और आज सबसे ज्यादा फायदा मैं कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकता हूं कि सबसे छोटे व्यापारियों को होगा।
भारत अमेरिका के ऐतिहासिक व्यापार समझौते से भारतीय उत्पादकों को वैश्विक बाजार में बड़ी बढ़त मिलेगी। कम करके 18% टैरिफ के साथ युवाओं, किसानों और एमएसएमई के लिए नए अवसर खुलेंगे। पहले यूरोपियन यूनियन के साथ ऐतिहासिक डील और अब भारत अमेरिकी ऐतिहासिक व्यापार समझौता, ये प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक अहम उपलब्धि है।
Let's go across to Niyamika. There are a lot of scathing attacks coming in from the opposition. The latest from Supriya Shrineth of the Congress that says you have to be an anti-national to celebrate this deal.
Well, there are various reactions which are coming in on the part of the opposition leaders, and the latest one is from the social media department chief of the Congress party, Ms. Supriya Shrineth. She has even mentioned that only the anti-nationals are going to praise this deal which is being signed between India and the United States. We have seen that how the Congress party is continuously attacking the government of India, stating that raising concerns which are related to this particular deal, mentioning that why US has made this announcement that that India is going to buy oil from Venezuela rather than Russia. Not just that, but also they are also asking that on what basis this trade deal has been signed, because the question which they are raising is that why there is a zero tariff which is being decided by our country when it comes to the imports from the United States. All of these issues are being taken up by the Congress party. Even we have seen that within the parliament as well, all of these member of parliament of Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha from the opposition, they had raised this demand that this entire issue needs to be discussed within the house, because the country needs to know that what are the details of this particular deal. On the other side, it is the government which is continuously praising this entire
Well,
initiative.
as far as the sources are concerned, there could soon be a statement. Opposition says it lacks transparency. They need more clarity and fine print. The opposition also hitting out at the government, says this is one-sided and damaging for India. We'll continue our discussion. I am requesting our guests to please stay on with us. I have to take a short break.